Ersp app. Caregivers at Comfort Keepers use Ersp mobile app to clock in and out from shifts, locate assignments, review assignments, get directions to home, locate clients' emergency contact information, completing tasks, and documenting tasks. The following video will demonstrate the capabilities of Ersp mobile app and show you how to clock in and out from the shift. The first thing you will do is install the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. For the worksite type, capital C, capital K, 234. Next, select Caregiver from the list. Add password and click Login button. The home screen will display your upcoming shifts, your open shift broadcasts, messages, and alerts. We ask that you click on the menu button and select Go to Main Site option. Tap on your upcoming shift. First thing you will do is add your signature to the system by tapping the Notes button. To clock in, tap on the Clock button. Before clocking out at the end of your shift, tap on Info button to review tasks performed during your shift. Scroll down to review and mark the tasks you completed during the shift. To clock out, tap the Clock button again. If you drove the client anywhere, make sure to add mileage before clocking out.